welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Manisha. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys this look right here. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep watching. First I'm going to moisturize my face. For that I'm using my favorite hyaluronic acid moisture cream. Next for primer, today I'm using the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. Next I'm going to color correct my dark spots. For that I'm using the NIB color correcting stick in the shade orange. And also I'm going to leave all the product details in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. Today for foundation I'm using the Milani Conceal Perfect Foundation in the shade 06. This is a very nice foundation and it gives a really full coverage, so you can definitely try this foundation out. So मैं इस foundation को अच्छे से मैंने beauty blender की help से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. Next for concealer, I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I'm going to highlight my face. To set my foundation and concealer in place, मैं Maybelline का Super Stay Compact use कर रही हूँ, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. To contour my face, I'm going to use the LOreal Paris Infallible Contouring Palette. Next, I'm going to use a blush. For that, I'm using the Body Shop blush. This is one of my favorite blush. So I'm done with my base, और इस base को अच्छे से set करने के लिए I'm going to spray some setting spray. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this dark brown shade to fill my eyebrows. Then to set all my eyebrows in place, I'm going to use a mascara. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to use this 32 eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to place it on my crease area, and I'm going to blend it quite nicely so that there is no harsh line. Next, I'm using this palette by Wet n Wild, Rose in the Air, and I'm taking this orange shade और मैं इसको crease में जो मैंने पहले color लगाया था उसके ऊपर place कर रही हूँ अच्छे से, and I'm going to blend it quite nicely. This is not an orange color, actually it's a corally kind of color, very beautiful corally kind of color. Next, मैं स्टे करके का काजल ले रही हूँ and I'm going to apply it on my lid area, और मैं एक ब्रश की हेल्प से इसको अच्छे से smudge कर लूँगी to give it a really smoky kind of effect. And also I'm using the same kajal in my lower lash line, and मैं इसको भी अच्छे से smudge कर दूँगी. For mascara, I'm using the LOreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. Next, I'm going to use a highlighter. For that, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. And I'm going to highlight my highest points. Lipstick, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade 314, and I'm going to mix it with the Stay Quirky lipstick, matte lipstick in the shade Snooping Guaranteed. And lastly, I'm going to set my makeup with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fixing Spray. And with some lal bindi and earrings, I finished this look, and this is the final look. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your family, friends and everyone. And also do subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. So till then, bye, take care, love you.